So this video demonstrates the concept of supernode analysis. Supernode. When an voltage source appears between two non-reference nodes and any elements connected in parallel with it, then combining these nodes is called a supernode. When an voltage source appears between two non-reference nodes and any elements connected in parallel with it, then combining these nodes is called supernode. So consider an example. So this contains a current source of 2 ampere, voltage source of 2 volts, and current of 7 ampere. So by observing, so there is a 3 nodes are here, node 1, 2, and 3. So usually we will take this one as the reference node. Between node 1 and 2, there is a voltage source of 2 volts. And with respect to the node 1, this current is coming towards this node 1. And for node 2, current is moving away from this node 2. So now we have to club these two nodes. We have to club these two nodes and we have to write a single node equation. So there is a voltage source between a V1 and V2. Coming to this first node, there is a resistor here, V1 by 2. And for this node, current is coming towards, that is a minus 2 ampere. Next, these are the two elements connected. Next, we have to neglect the resistance connected between these two nodes, that is parallel with the voltage source. Coming to the second node, V2. So there is a resistor of 4 ohm, V2 by 4 ohm. And the current is moving away from this node. So plus 7 volts. And simplifying this, 0.5 V1 plus 0.25 V2 is equal to minus 5 volts. This is the equation 1. So now there is a source between this V1 and V2. So now we have to relate this 2 volts with respect to these two voltages, node voltages, with respect to these two node voltages. Observe the polarity of this source. So there is a plus here that will be towards V2. So positive polarity of this 2 volt source is towards V2. So V2 minus V1 is equal to 2 volts, or V1 minus V2 is equal to minus 2 volts. So these are the two simultaneous equations. 0.5 V1 plus 0.25 V2 is equal to minus 5, and V1 minus V2 is equal to minus 2. And solving these two equations, V1 is equal to minus 7.33 volts and V2 is equal to minus 0.533 volts. And coming to the second example, there is a node 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes. There are 4 nodes, node 1, 2, 3. And it is given that minus 8 ampere coming towards this node, minus 3 ampere coming towards this node, minus 25 ampere moving away this node. And there is a voltage source between these two nodes of 22 volts. So now we will draw a supernode for this. So these are the supernodes. This is a node 1, V1, and between node 2 and 3, there is a voltage source. So there is a voltage source between a node 2 and 3. And the polarity of this is plus, that is V3 minus V2 is equal to 22 volts, or V3 is equal to V2 plus 22. So now coming to this node 1, so there is a one current is coming towards this of minus 8 ampere, minus 3 ampere, and 3 ohm resistor is between V1 and V2, and 4 ohm between a V1 and V3. So now we will write a KCL for this node 1. V1 minus V2, V1 minus V2 by 3, V1 minus V3 by 4, and minus of, because it is coming towards minus of minus 8 ampere, minus of minus 3 ampere is equal to 0. 0.8, so simplifying this one, V1 by 3 means 0.5833 V1 minus 0.33 V2. So V1 by 4 and V1 by 3, club these two, and V2 divided by 3 means 0.33 V2, and there is a V3 by 4, that is a minus 0.25 V3. So now we can bring it to the two variables by using this equation. V3 is equal to V2 by 22. V2 plus 22. 0.583 V1 and V2 here, and this V2, it is a 0.583 V2 is equal to minus 0.55. So multiplying these two and simplifying. So we are getting a this one. And coming to there is a voltage source between these two nodes, V2 and V3. There is a voltage source between a V2 and V3. So now I have to write the KCL by combining these two nodes. There is a voltage source between V2 and V3. Coming to the V2 minus V1 by 3, V2 by 1, and it is moving away, plus of minus 3 ampere. So next, coming to the V3, V3 divided by 5 ohm, and current is moving away, minus 25 and minus 25 ampere is equal to 0. So V2 minus V1 by 3, V2 by 1. Next, V3 minus V1, V3 minus V1 by 4, V3 by 5, and sources for node 2 and 3 are moving away, plus of minus 3 ampere. It is also moving away. Yeah. Again, simplifying this equation. So V1 by 3, V1 by 4, 0.5833, and V2 by 3 and V2 by 1, 1.33 V2. Again, simplify this 22. So we are getting 0.5833 V1 plus 1.783 V2 is equal to 18.1. So this is the second equation. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So these are the two simultaneous equations. So solving these two, V1 is equal to 1 volt and V2 is equal to 10.48 volts.